Huawei Watch GT5 Pro. Huawei watches offer a great mix of design, battery life, and features, and this year they come with an upgraded TrueSense health monitoring system, which was actually announced ahead of time. This generation of GT watches also brings a titanium version with a lightweight body. And we finally get a sequel to the Watch D, for people who want reliable blood pressure measurements. Huawei's GT5 Pro is the best entry yet to the mid-range series, promising a premium design and rounded, sometimes advanced, fitness and sports tracking. The lack of smarts and unique insights continues to hold Huawei smartwatches back from their true potential, but the GT5 Pro is a compelling alternative for iOS and Android users. The Huawei Watch GT5 Pro comes in two sizes, 42mm and 46mm. The small version is 0.9mm thinner than the small GT3 Pro, which was a 43mm model. As we hinted above, the Pro models have titanium bodies. The small 42mm model also incorporates ceramics into the body and strap, while the large one uses a titanium or fluoroelastomer for the strap. They also feature sapphire glass for the display. The GT Pro models also stand out with ECG, which needs 30 seconds to provide you with ECG waveforms. The improved positioning accuracy ties into the new focus on a superior running and cycling experience. The watches support offline maps with route previews, which estimate the altitude changes and show terrain details. There are real-time directions too, including segment-based navigation and off-course alerts. Trail running navigation makes use of the offline maps and can guide you through complex cross-country environments. The watch integrates with Komoot if you are used to that app's route planning. Once you reach the finish line, the watch will present a running form analysis. It measures ground contact time, vertical oscillation, balance, and more. That's not all. The watches have over 100 workout modes. The Pro models add a free diving mode with water resistance down to 40 meters, 130 feet, with depth tracking and reminders. The watches are also rated IP69K for resistance against hot water jets. They are resistant against salt spray corrosion, thanks to a special coating for the exterior. Golfers might enjoy this watch too. There are 15,000 plus golf maps available with 3D previews and precise directions. You can use the built-in scorecard to keep track. The golf feature will be available in 69 countries later this month. The Huawei Watch GT5 and GT5 Pro will have long battery lives. The small 41mm and 42mm watches will last 5 days with always-on display enabled and up to 7 days with regular use. The larger 46mm watches will last 9 days with AOD and up to 14 days with regular use. The Pros support wireless charging and can be fully charged in 60 minutes. In terms of health tracking, the smartwatch will come equipped to heart rate monitoring, a SpO2 sensor, sleep tracking, stress monitoring, and body temperature tracking. As for fitness features, the watch will have over 100 sports modes, covering activities from running and cycling to swimming and hiking, as well as extreme sports. An AI trainer will also be on board to offer personalized workout suggestions. For outdoor adventurers, it will come with built-in GPS alongside GLONASS, Galileo, and QZSS for highly accurate location tracking. Connectivity options will include Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and a voice assistant. In addition to that, the watch will also have extra features, such as a barometer, compass, and altimeter. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.